Hello, in front of me I've got Logitech G502 X Plus. In this video I'll show you how to replace thumb button. In the original package we've got additional button we can replace on your mouse. Under your thumb you can find this programmable button. To replace it, simply pull it out. It has little magnet at the bottom, and now place new button here. Now this button is disabled, you can't press it. Swap it again to use additional button. This one is good for aiming, for example. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.